website calls point prizes. In point prizes, you will earn points by completing simple tasks like watching video ads, downloading and installing apps on your computer or mobile, completing simple surveys and solving easy quizzes. And after you earn the points, you will need to convert your points into digital gift cards. These are the available gift cards that you can withdraw money through them. As shown to you, you can convert your points into PlayStation gift card, PayPal gift card, Steam gift card, Bitcoin gift card, Google Play gift card, iTunes gift card, Amazon gift card, Xbox gift card and Netflix gift card. And now let's jump to the dashboard of this website to show you how it works. As you see in the top of the screen, my points are 855 points. I earned them by doing simple tasks. So, there are multiple methods to earn money from this wonderful website. One of these methods is the offer walls. As you see on the screen, there are 17 offer walls to earn credits through them. Let's show you how to earn points from these offers walls. After I showed you how to earn points from the offer walls, now I am gonna show you how to earn credits from the method of survey routers. And also the daily pool method, that you can earn 5 points through it once each 24 hour. All you need to do is to follow what I will show you. The last one, which is the easiest method, which calls use coupons. By this method you will earn 500 point. As shown to you that I redeemed all of these coupons. And I am going to show you how to redeem them by copying and pasting. After you earn enough points, you will need to convert these points into real money through these withdrawal methods. Let's show you how to withdraw the money via PayPal account. As shown to you, you will earn $20 if you converted 3,000 points, and $100 if you converted 14,250 points, and also $500 if you converted 69,375 points. And also you can withdraw $1,000 if you converted 135,000 points. And you can convert 1,275,000 points into $10,000. It is very passive income you can earn from Point Prizes website. So guys, be active and efficient to earn a lot of money from this wonderful website. And also, there are many methods you can convert your points through them. I wish the best to each one of you guys in Point Prizes website. Then, click the link below in the description to go directly to the website.